Bonnie, happy Friday! I am back. Guess what I got in the mail today? I got the Dove Crumbl cookie collection from Walmart. So this was really hard to get a hold of, by the way. I actually ordered it online. I just looked. It looks like it's in stock now. It has been going in and out of stock like crazy. Like all of a sudden, everything's out of stock. It'll restock, and then all of a sudden it's out of stock again. So I just happened to catch it right at the right time. So I literally got like the entire collection, I think. I don't even know what I got. I just like ordered it and I'm like, good. So as everyone knows, Crumbl cookie is pretty viral at the moment. I'm gluten-free, so I don't eat Crumbl cookies. However, I am a gourmand fanatic, and we're gonna smell all of this stuff together. I got like a lot of stuff. You know what's funny? This is a really interesting like 1960s vibe to it. Do these containers not look like Dippity Doo? You guys know if you're of a certain age what Dippity Doo is. So Dippity Doo is like this green gel that you would put on your hair to kind of make it stand up. But I swear it looked like this container. It was kind of interesting. So these are actually the body scrubs. I got strawberry crumb cake, confetti cake, and lemon glaze. So I'm gonna actually sort this stuff. So there's 3 cents. So I got a lemon glaze deodorant. We're gonna put that over here. I got confetti cake in the hand wash. I got strawberry crumb cake in the hand wash. I got confetti cake in the body wash. We'll put that over here. Strawberry, okay, strawberry. And then I got confetti cake in the deodorant. So I got the most confetti cake. So we'll try that one first. So again, it's very pink. I mean, like super pink. This one is, it says, warning, you'll smell deliciously sweet, but please don't eat. Um, it's a notes of warm sugar cookie topped with pink buttercream frosting inspired by Cookie Crumbl. Look what it says. Oh my gosh, you guys, it says cue the confetti. Are you kidding me? That is really funny. Cue the confetti. Okay, are you ready? Okay, no seal. Hmm. Um, it's interesting. Look at this. It's like frost. It's like frosting, you guys. It's like frosting. It's got kind of an odd note in it though. In the scrub, I smell the confetti and the cakiness, but there's like an odd and I've smelled this before and there are other stuff. It's like a weird like maybe it's just like what body scrub smells like. It's almost medicinal a little bit. Okay, so that's the scrub. Um, Sealed for your protection. Look, it doesn't leak now, which is good. I'm actually glad they put the seal on. Okay, this is the body wash. I'm going to try all these out and I'll report back. Oh, I like the body wash a lot better. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is like, it's almost nauseating pink though. This smells good. Okay, now we're talking. That smells really good, actually. It smells like a pink sugar cookie. Cue the confetti. That smells good. Okay, let me see what the hand soap smells like. This is lighter. It doesn't smell as good as the body wash, but it's not like weird like the scrub. I did get the deodorant. 72-hour deodorant, limited edition. Crumbl cookie. I usually use native deodorant or Bath and Body Works. I love my Bath and Body Works deodorant. I just wish they would have it in the how do you, oh, look, you got to turn the bottom. There we go. We're turning it. Oh, that does smell good in the deodorant. Oh, I totally wear this. Yeah, I like the deodorant. I don't mind the formula either. I haven't used Dove deodorant in a while. That's not bad. Okay. So a winner in the scrub, or not the scrub, body wash and the deodorant. The scrub smells weird. Oh my gosh. Oh, not liking the scrub. Okay. Moving on to strawberry crumb cake. We're going to try the strawberry crumb cake. This one is rich strawberry cookie topped with vanilla glaze and buttery crumbs. So it's like a strawberry one, whereas this one is like a pink cookie one, I guess. Okay, so strawberry. I like the strawberry scrub better, but it still has that weird note in it. How strange. Okay, let me do the strawberry in the hand wash. Let me try this one. Okay, you ready? Oh, it smells good. It smells like strawberries. This has got a very strawberry pound cake feel to it, like Bath and Body Works strawberry pound cake. Like it in the hand soap. It's weird. I don't know if I like the shade of the pink though. It's just a little bit too pink. And I'm wearing purple nails today too. Okay, we have one more. We have the lemon. Lemon glaze. This one is notes of lemon sugar cookie topped with sweet buttery glaze. So it's kind of the same thing. This one says your main squeeze just got sweeter. Oh, what's the strawberry one say? Strawberry perfection meets crumble cake heaven. Okay. The yellow one. You ready? Okay. So this one is actually my favorite of the scrub. It smells the least weird. Does that make sense? So I don't know what it is in the confetti cake, but there's just an odd note in here. It's kind of unappetizing. I don't know. So that leaves the lemon glaze and the deodorant. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna twirl this up here. A little bit different color. It looks like a little bit darker. Ooh, that smells good. Okay. Yeah, I'll totally wear this. I like lemon. I like lemon deodorant, so I'll definitely wear the deodorants. These are aluminum-free deodorant, and they smell really good. I gotta say, I'm digging the deodorant. I really wish I had gotten the shower gel or the body wash in the lemon and the strawberry, because I gotta say, the body wash smells really, really good. It just doesn't have that weird note in it. I'm gonna use this tonight. We're gonna try it out. Like I said, I've used the other stuff from them. Remember they had the peppermint bark, they had the winter ones, they do spring. They're doing a lot with Dove. But as far as the scrub, my favorite is definitely the lemon. And the hand soap. The hand soap's nice. I gotta say I like the hand soap. So that was a win. Total on all of these, I don't know how much these are individually. I wasn't really paying attention because I was putting them in my cart so fast. I think I paid with tax $53 for all of this. So that's not bad. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So I mean, even with tax, 52 divided by 8, about $6.50 each. And I know some stuff was a lot less expensive, and I know these were probably more of the scrubs. So, am I impressed? You know, it's funny. I'm a gourmand girl, so I think I like the deodorants the most. The thing that's like so off-putting though is like this pink. I don't know why. It just like I think I would have liked it would have like resonated with my brain better if they had used like a cream colored background and then like the cookie. I don't know why. It just feels like a little bit like strange, especially in the lemon. Like, why is the lemon pink? I don't know. The pink is just a little too pinky for me. And it's like that Pepto-Bismol pink. You know what I mean? It's like that. I don't know. It's just a little bit nauseating, the color. That's the only thing I don't like. I think they would have done a better job like if they had reversed the colors and they had made the whole collection like cream. Anyway, there you have it. Dove Crumbl Cookie Collab. Let me know what you think if you have this collection. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.